You'll be learning about how this SaaS founder built a product that does $55,000 a month in recurring revenue, and she managed to achieve this in just 1 year. Before I dive into it, I want to say that if you're looking to build your own micro SaaS, I have a step-by-step academy on how to do so. It's going to show you how to build, scale, and profit from your very own micro SaaS product. It is 8+ hours of video and $500 worth of bonuses taught all by me, so make sure you check out the link in the description below. Or if you just want some free SaaS ideas, I also have a link in the description below as well. So let's dive into this SaaS product. The product is called RoboPost, and it lets you manage your social media accounts all in one place. And it's a simple and easy to use tool that helps freelancers, entrepreneurs, small businesses, and social media teams create, schedule, and publish so they can automate content daily. They have over 20,000 users here. This product was founded by Mako, and she's from Japan. So let's dive into the journey on how she started. It all started with the first 2 months being dedicated to building the minimal viable version of the product. She started with a pretty tight timeline here, and she used things such as Fast API on the back end and React.js for the front end, really focusing on building something simple but effective and just enough to solve the problem she saw so many business owners struggling with, and that was managing social media posts consistently. In terms of how she got her first few users, she relied on people she already knew. These were small business owners that trusted her enough to pay for RoboPost even in its early stages. These initial customers were crucial, and they gave her the motivation and feedback she needed to shape the platform. And when you're just starting out, having those first few customers feels like a huge win. It really shows that people are willing to pay for a product that you're building and can really provide a lot of great motivation along the way. So Mako got her first few users from friends and family. How did she actually get to that $55,000 a month in just 1 year? And the key secret for her was running Facebook and Meta ads successfully. And according to Mako, the thing is most people give up on Meta ads early, but running ads can feel like you're burning money at first, and that can be a really frustrating experience. Sometimes you don't get any return on your ad spend, and it feels like you're just throwing money in the dumpster. But she really stuck with it, learned how the algorithm worked for her product, developed ads that converted effectively, and had patience and understanding throughout. There's a learning phase that you can't avoid, and during that phase you may be discouraged as Facebook isn't able to find the target buyer that you need. But she stuck with it, and as the algorithm learned her target customers, she was then able to test, adjust, and optimize her creatives constantly, and from there everything changed. Meta ads really became the growth engine behind RoboPost, so her advice really is just not to give up at the beginning. It may feel like you're spending too much money. As long as you're controlling your budget effectively as well, you shouldn't go and spend more than you can afford. You should have a set budget for this. But if you can learn how the algorithm works for your product, develop the right creatives, find the right target audience, this can really pay off as it's going to give you so much scale. So Meta ads really gave RoboPost that initial push they needed. In terms of the long game, the focus has been on SEO or search engine optimization. And now it's starting to bring in some serious revenue. And this makes sense as well as eventually you will start to run out of your creatives and your audiences on Facebook, and those costs can go up over time. So really focusing on something long-term through organic content is a great way to grow. And many businesses use a combination as well of SEO and Meta ads or any type of paid platforms. And so the focus here for RoboPost has been SEO as mentioned, and at a minimum, she's going to recommend having a blog for a SaaS product. It's a non-negotiable, and it's not just about cramming in keywords, it's about providing real value and becoming a trusted resource for your audience. For RoboPost, developing useful content as well as free tools on the site have been a slow and steady path to organic growth. And the hope is that one day RoboPost won't have to rely on Meta ads to bring in new traffic, and they can use just SEO to help grow over the long term. In terms of the other marketing medium they're exploring, it's video marketing and the untapped power of YouTube. As people connect with you in a way on video that they don't really connect in a blog post or something similar. And so the founder has been experiencing with different video tutorials and product demos. In terms of what next, they're looking at cold outreach. As with the advancements with AI, it can make it more personalized and give you broader scale. RoboPost has also leaned in heavily to AI content, and that's providing an all-in-one solution for their users, such as helping use AI for people to help write content, which can be a huge block for them, and it really gets them using your platform more. We can see some reviews here saying that the AI-powered tools for creating posts are fantastic, and their engagement rates have never been higher. Most companies are using some type of AI in their marketing as well, so I believe this probably helped in terms of making it seem more advanced than maybe some other products. And at the very least, it probably couldn't have hurt there. So this is going to conclude the video on RoboPost. Definitely a super inspirational story and a really good amount of monthly recurring revenue in just 1 year. I'll leave a link in the description below to the original source for this video. And if you're interested in the Build a Micro SaaS Academy, check out a link in the description below. There's also a link for free micro SaaS ideas. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.